Hello to my online learners. It is now week 3 and welcome to week 3. Let me show you where we're at here with the schedule. So far, let me just move this over. There we go. So far, we are now starting week 3. So we've done topic A, life, topic B, biochemistry, topic C, cells, D, transport in the cells, E, epithelial and connective cells. Now we're going to look at F, which is muscle and nervous tissue, and then G, which is a short unit on organs and systems. So if you remember, cells working together form a tissue, tissues working together form an organ, and organs working together form a system. So that's what we're looking at. And we are now coming to the end of Unit 1. So the Unit 1 exam writing window is from 8:30 on Wednesday the 9th to Thursday on Wednesday the 10th. So I know you all have different schedules, and some of you get some of you get breaks on this weekend. Some of you have Wednesday off, and some of you have, the break can either be this week or next week. Anyway, it is important that sometime during that writing window of 8 a.m. on the 9th to 9 p.m. on the 10th, you write the test. And I have I have a whole video on writing the test, which I'll show you about later, and then you can read it later. For right now, this is just an introduction to Unit 3. So when we look at Week 3, Unit 1, we are basically going to look at F, which is the short unit on muscles and nervous tissue, because we have a whole unit on the nerves and a whole unit on muscles. So we're only going to touch on it briefly. So it shouldn't take you more than a half hour, actually. And then the organs and systems, again, very briefly. But the main thing you'll be looking at is preparing for your unit test. So there is your topics. When we look at muscle, we are looking at 3 types of muscle. And when you look at nervous tissue, you're looking at 2 types of tissue there. So little videos there, the note sheet. And please use the note sheets, because those are excellent sources. And if you learn all the information on your note sheets, you'll be ready to go for your exam. So there's our nervous tissue, our muscle tissue, our organ information. Then near the end is preparing for Unit 1. And I have a video which will be right here before preparing for Unit 1. And that will break down week 3. We start the next course, our next unit, next week. So it's important you prepare well and write your test. And as I said, there's a whole video on your test. So when you're ready, open that one and you will be ready to get ready for the test. Good. If you have any complication, please email me. And other than that, have a good week.